The Yakovlev Yak 9 was the most important Russian fighter aircraft of World War II and is widely regarded as one of the best fighters of its time, outperforming contemporaries such as the P-51 Mustang, Spitfire, Me 109 and Focke-Wulf 190. With engines up to 1,850 horsepower installed, the Yak 9U was a much improved version of the Yak 9, and after final testing in April 1944, it entered service with the Air Force of the Soviet Union. The Yak 9U continued in service with Warsaw Pact Air Forces after the war and was used in Korea. Although produced in extremely large numbers, very few Yak 9 or 9U survive because Soviet philosophy at the time was to melt down obsolete aircraft to reuse the materials in constructing new ones. In recent years, a joint US-Russian venture has been building brand new Yak 9Us at the same factory in Russia that produced many thousands of wartime examples. VH YIX is one of these aircraft, designated a Yak 9U M. It's deemed a genuine Yak aircraft rather than a replica because it's built from the original plans and with the cooperation of the Yakovlev Design Bureau. Whilst remaining faithful to the original design, the aircraft is built using the latest materials and to a much higher quality than was possible in wartime Russia. It's powered by a modern Allison 1710 V12 engine fitted with a Hamilton standard propeller. VH YIX is a two-seater, incorporating a rear passenger seat with a newly designed independent rear canopy. The second seat in the Yak 9UM can be fitted with flying controls and basic instrumentation if required.